My name is Lokesh and I'm currently working in a capacity of data analyst at EXS Services Private Limited. I got to know about AnalytixLabs from my initial research and networking over LinkedIn, wherein I found the course structure aligned with the industry demands, and the alumni network over there reassured me on how the course structure not only helped them set a good foundation on the basics, but also helped them secure a good job with industry-based projects. The counseling sessions were great. The team at AnalytixLabs had designed the course curriculum in a way that I didn't feel rushing on my part and was comfortable to follow along with the course curriculum with my day job. Also, the trainer helped us all along the way, right from clearing our doubts to helping us groom for the job interviews that were scheduled. They were really helpful all along the way. The course is designed in a way that it not only sparks your interest, but over the time allows you to see how things fall in a bigger picture. I'm myself from a mathematics background with a no technical know-how, but I found it easy to follow along with simple concepts of Excel, SQL, and Tableau to help build the foundation and therein learn more about Python and machine learning. Even my peers, considering they were from different backgrounds, found it easy even when they had their first exposure to programming. The course curriculum offers good amount of industry exposure when it comes to capstone projects and assignments, which helps to instill the confidence when it comes to data manipulation or slicing or dicing of the data using Python, R, or be about creating machine learning models or querying relational databases, which comes very handy considering the industry demands. At AnalytixLabs, I was fortunate enough to find trainers with a wide array of industry experience, which helped me to get an overall industry exposure and help build thought process of a typical data analyst and data scientist. In addition, we had a good placement team to back us up from different opportunities along the way, from vetting our CVs to help us prepare our LinkedIn profile and share mock questions in interview. It was good to have AnalytixLabs by my side at every step. Overall, the journey has been great. I not only learned the foundations which are helping in my day-to-day job, but also had an amazing experience when it comes to explore the possibilities that entails in a data-centric role. And I highly recommend AnalytixLabs to anyone who's looking for a perfect environment and peer group in which he can nurture and hone their data-centric skills.